There's a lot of conversations going on right now in the tech world about how fast AI is moving, and all the founders that built their startups at the beginning of this era are now scrambling, having to pivot because of how fast AI is, especially with the whole vibe coding. Everyone's now building products, but here's the thing. Speed doesn't necessarily mean it is built for success and long-term impact, and especially long-term durability. And so as much as AI is now becoming available for everyone and anyone, it's great because now it's becoming more accessible to anyone who wants to build a product or a company. But building a company takes more than just moving fast because you have to really know what you're doing. And just like anything else in life, speed has to also come with other things like the real type of expertise and the real type of insights and knowledge. As much as people are talking about how AI is going to replace human jobs, especially with the vibe coding, I don't think that is the case in the long term. I think that AI and humans have to work together to make something work long term. AI needs humans for it to become adjusted the right way, because as much as it can function on its own, and that is the goal of it, it cannot necessarily replace the way that humans can develop. AI still needs the directions, especially if we're talking LLMs, the humans to continue to train and feed the data. As much as humans could use AI to make processes a lot faster and more convenient, but in the ideal world, both parties need to utilize each other efficiently. Yes, it is moving very fast in a way. It is very unpredictable right now, but at the same time, if humans remain responsible for keeping this very intact and prioritizing the long-term durability as their goal instead of making things fast, we can have a very successful outcome with all of this. The problem here is, though, most people will value gratification, and that will come from building something fast. And just like anything in life, if you do something way too fast without having the substance or foundations correct, it's bound to fail. So it's very interesting being at the front end of all this in the beginning stage of this AI evolution, because it's a lot of exciting stuff happening, a lot of novel things happening. But then we will also know in a few years down the road, will also see a lot of things crashing. If something is not being built properly, it will definitely show.